So this is my third owner summit, and I love these owner summits. I do a lot of the other AMP conferences, and through the years, even with other companies, I have done a lot of meetings, although now I pretty much exclusively work with AMP because I'm so in love with the AMP family and the relationships here. But it's very important to understand that if you're going to be the best of the best and you're going to be at the edge of this field, and this is a cutting edge field, we are changing the face of what is done in aesthetic and regenerative medicine. You have to network with other bright people. You have to share ideas. You have to be questioning, and you help each other. And I do a lot of networking here where I have colleagues from all over the country, and the relationship doesn't stop at the owner summit. We get together and meet, and we masterclass each other, and we do things with each other that go beyond what we might be comfortable with doing with a patient, because we're learning and we're pushing the envelope. Those relationships are formed at these meetings, especially at the owner summit, where you have such a collection of talent.